on how to do baseboards and how to hide and unhide objects. So if your room corner already has objects in it and they're in the way, because we're going to draw a big rectangle on the bottom here and pull it out to be a baseboard, what you can do is click on your objects, hold Control or right click and click hide, and I'll show you how to unhide it later. And then you're going to grab your rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Down here you can see the dimensions here. You can draw a rectangle it's usually around 4 inches, but baseboards can vary in height depending on your design style. So I'm going to make this one 4 inches tall. And or you can use your pencil tool if you're more comfortable with the pencil tool and draw up, let's say 4 inches, and then over here. Oh, that didn't work. Just make sure that the color is, if you're going on the left, it's green, and on the right, it's red. So I'm going to click there and down and then back over and then up. And then we're ready to push pull. So I'm going to push pull. Actually, what I'll do is I will paint it white first, just so we can see it. And then push pull it out 1 inch. And then this one, 1 inch. And essentially you do the exact same thing for window trim. Oh, no, I don't. You can draw the square around the window and then pull it out, but 99% of the time when you are finding a window in your 3D warehouse, it will already have the trim around it. So now we're ready to bring our chair back or furniture back. So this little magnifying glass, you're going to type unhide and then click unhide all, and it comes back. So you can do that with walls as well. If walls are in your way, if you're trying to take a view from this side looking in and the wall's in your way, you can hide it so that you can get a nice picture of it before. Okay. Let me know if you need any help with any other commands.